Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
I thought I'd have a go at a Larimar.
Again.
This is my 4,999th attempt to get a Larimar.
Yeah. And you've only managed to do it once.
I've done it once, and in all fairness, what I should have done is done it once and never ever done it again. Sadly, I did it once and I've never been able to recreate it.
No, because you did it once and you went, yes, I've sorted it. I'm going to do another one now just to make sure. And then it's downhill from there.
Yeah, it was all down. So the first thing I did is I took this mould that I got from Julie Katz. It's a beautiful mould.
It's a nice mould,
It is very pretty. And I put some mica around the sort of the crystal edge bit.
Yeah. Which was the jacquard.
Yeah, it's the jacquard blue, sapphire blue. And then I poured some resin into 4 pots. So this is going to be a very blue. My intent was that it was to be a very blue
I'm getting
Larimar.
that because you've used pretty much all blues.
I have. I've used a dark blue, a medium blue, and a very light blue. So with all Larimars, you start off with a white base. And for that, I use the Octopus Inks Enoki White.
Discount codes in description.
Yeah. I made sure it was semi-skimmed texture, consistency, not consistency, look. It looked very semi-skimmed milk.
Okay.
And then I poured my darkest blue.
Yeah.
Then my light, and then I just got gradually lighter.
Okay,
as I
so
go
the
up.
darker,
the darker,
the bit lighter, and then...
yeah, the dark to the light.
Okay.
So
going well so far.
Yeah, so far I'm very happy.
Feeling good about it.
Yeah, life is good at the moment. Life is very good. I am very optimistic that this is going to be a success. This is the one. I felt it in my bones that this is the one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I left it alone.
Okay. Well, you didn't.
I gave
did
it.
you?
Well, no, I gave it a little squidge, a little blow from the heat, but I used the heat gun quite a way up.
Okay.
Because I've seen, I've seen lots of people do it, and it's supposed to get the process going, get it all moving around. So I've seen loads of people do it.
Okay.
I just can't remember like who off the top of my head. So this is a day later. I was very patient.
I know, yeah, you didn't even put it in the G3.
No, I was very patient, and I was like, ooh. Yeah.
So what went wrong?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Was the white too thick?
If I knew
was it too much?
If I knew what went wrong with them, I would be able to put it right.
Okay, but you've done like 4,000 of them now.
I know. So I thought, okay, maybe my white was too. I concluded that maybe my white wasn't thick enough. That was my conclusion, because if you look very closely, which it doesn't show very well on the camera, you can see that there is like a hint of a Larimar.
Okay.
But the white isn't. I felt like the white wasn't strong enough.
Oh, okay.
So I thought, okay, maybe I didn't do enough skimmed milk. That was my conclusion.
So more white.
Yeah. So I thought, right, let's have another go.
Okay.
One more go. Just one more go.
It's not going to be one more go, though, is it?
It's just one more go.
No, because what will happen is you'll do another one.
Mm-hmm.
The result, whatever the result, you'll go, right, I'm not doing any more.
Yeah.
You'll watch somebody else do a Larimar.
Yeah.
And then you'll go, oh, I really must try another Larimar.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So it's not your last one.
No, it is my absolute last one. This one.
Uh-huh.
And you will see why.
Okay.
So I decided once again to paint the sides. And this time, instead of using the sapphire blue, I used this colour. Now it's called Mermaid, and I got this colour from Temu.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just because I liked it. And it's a Temu mica powder, and it is really pretty.
That's lasted really well then.
Yeah.
Because that's got to be one that we've had for over a year.
Yeah, well over a year. But I seldom use it because I like it, but I know I'll never be able to replace it. So I only use it on one-off things.
Okay.
Like this sort of thing. So I then made up some more white.
Yeah.
Um,
So how long did you leave that before you started?
I didn't. I started.
Oh.
I started pouring straight away. You don't leave it. You just pour it.
Right.
And then I thought, now who was it? I'm trying to think who it was that I watched. And instead of putting it all in the middle, they poured it all to the edge.
Okay.
I can't think who it was. It might have been Petra.
But it's still filling the middle.
But it still fills the middle. I don't know. I was just, look, at this point, I am praying to the fairies of fate.
Okay. And I just wanted to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for allowing Nikki to do millions of these Larimars. And they are all over the place in the house.
No, they're not. Well, they are. Well, no, they're not. They're organised in a box.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the turtles. Anyway, thank you very much.
Indeed. Thank you very much. So I've done exactly the same colours. I've done dark blue, light blue,
Okay.
lighter blue.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
But with this one,
so the object of it
But you
is
can
to have
see-
the white pull in.
yeah, you can see that the white is starting to do something like magic. Can you see that on the white?
Like the it's like the froth when you do like a sea
Yeah.
the waves.
Well, yeah, I guess. But there's definitely something
Yeah.
happening there. And at this point, I was very excited. I was like, oh, this could be it. This could be it. So I thought I'd just heat up that little bit, that in the middle bit, and make it a little bit more movable.
Okay.
And
then cross
And
your
then-
fingers,
yeah, and then I once again crossed my fingers.
pray to the fairy of fate
Yes.
and the Larimar gods.
Yes, I did.
Although it is looking like it's doing something.
Exactly. At this point, I was very excited.
So what did you do differently on that one then? Just a bit more,
I
few more drops
put
of white?
a tiny bit more white in.
Right, okay.
So in the first one, I think it was 10 drops, and
Yeah.
in this one, I put 15.
Okay.
So not. Oh, that was just what I did with the leftover. That was all. That was just some leftover.
That didn't work.
No, it didn't. It didn't. But I wasn't supposed to. It was just where I poured the leftover.
Okay. So.
This is the moment of truth.
Oh.
And I tell you, I was like, I give up.
So looking at that and looking at the other one, that looks more white. So
Yeah.
should you have put less in?
I guess so.
Another
But-
Larimar coming soon.
But on a slightly separate note, I really like how the edge worked. I feel that the edge was very successful on both of them.
Okay.
So I did what I've become very good at.
Covering it up with a sticker.
Yeah, it's not a sticker, it's a UV DTF.
Okay.
And these ones I think I got from Temu ages ago. Obviously,
yeah, these are a Temu one.
I went with a turtle.
Yeah.
Because who doesn't like a turtle? And a turtle with some flowers.
Oh.
And I actually think they look really pretty. So they went from a complete and utter failure to, oh, that's not too bad.
I do like that.
And I
like the one with the flower with the
Yeah.
white background.
But
All right, it's not a Larimar, but
it is a really pretty piece.
Yeah.
So, you know.
you failed upwards.
I failed upwards. Yeah. Yeah. So I then used the craft resin tabletop,
yeah.
which
Is
is,
your new favourite thing?
well, yeah, I absolutely love it for top coating, particularly coasters, because it's got all the scratch resistance, heat resistance, all
Yeah.
that kind of, and it's so thick that it doesn't.
Dribble off the edge.
Yeah, well, I mean, it does if you do it wrong, but it's really nice to work with.
It's a bit more forgiving.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice to work with. So, they sell it in 4-litre pots.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I wish they would do the smaller one, because I think a lot more people would use it, because not everybody is using it for a tabletop. Some people just like to top coat coasters and things.
Or jewellery or stuff, so you don't need massive amounts.
I don't know if you'd put that on jewellery.
Would you not?
No, that's what UV resin's for.
Okay.
Oh, my life. This is what I'm dealing with, people. This is what I'm dealing with.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, I really like it, but and I'd recommend it for top coating. Because
I've used it once.
You used it on your table, didn't you?
I did. I used it on my table, and yeah, it was really good. And it was a lot better than
it was. Anyway, there we are, the finished piece.
Yeah.
So,
what do you think of Nikki's Larimar?
Indeed. If you enjoy our creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry is about to suggest another video that you might enjoy just as much. And if you've liked this one, please do help us out by hitting the like button.
And while you're down there, why not give us a little hype if you've got any left, and give the subscribe a little tickle.
And if you already have, thank you very much.
Aye. I should just steal my thunder. Wow.
And hopefully we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.
Yeah. Not impressed. Bye for now.